One single error, just one error on Google. And our client lost close to 20 lakhs in business. Not because the salon was bad, not because demand was low, but because their phone number was not live on Google. And we fixed it in just 4 days. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards and I am back with another real case study. Before going deep into the case, let's first look at some important data. Every single month in Bangalore, salon near me have 100k to 1 million monthly searches. Hair salon near me have 10k to 100k monthly searches. Nail salon near me have 10k to 100k monthly searches. Haircut near me have 10k to 100k monthly searches. Beauty parlor near me have 10k to 100k monthly searches. And these are just few keywords. There are many more high intent keywords people search for every month. These are not casual searches. These are people ready to visit salon right now. Now let me show you something interesting. We manage and audit many well-performing salon profiles. We don't disclose brand names. But here are their last 6-month call numbers from Google alone. 1400 plus calls, 1500 plus calls, 900 plus calls. All organic, all free, all from Google business profiles. Recently, we got a client from Bangalore, Celebrate Life Family Salon. They started their salon around 6 months ago. They created a Google business profile. The business was active, services were ready. But there was one critical issue. The phone number was not live. Every time they tried to add or update the phone number, Google showed edit not approved. They tried multiple times, they contacted other people, they gave the work to different agencies, but no one could fix it. Now let's do some simple math. If a salon in Bangalore gets even 600 calls in last 6 months and converts just 20 to 30% of them, that's 120 to 180 customers. Remember, these are not one-time customers. They visit salon every month if you provide good service. On an average, that can easily generate 15 to 20 lakhs in business. When your phone number is not showing up on Google Maps, people don't wait. They choose your competitor. When the client contacted GBP Wizards, we onboarded the project on 2nd January and assigned our expert team immediately. Instead of guessing or retrying the same edits, we audited the profile deeply and identified why Google was rejecting the phone number, what trust signals were missing, what exactly need to be fixed. By January 7th, the phone number was live. Just 4 to 5 days, no waiting for 30 days, no repeated rejections, no confusion. Once the phone number went live, calls started in, walk-ins increased, profile engagement improved, business started moving in the right direction. This case proves one thing. Being visible on Google is useless if customers can't contact you. A single missing phone number can silently cost you lakhs of rupees. If you are watching this and thinking, my phone number is not showing on Google, I keep getting edit not approved, my business is visible but I am not getting calls, then don't wait. Contact GBP Wizards. We don't experiment. We identify the issue and fix it fast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next case study.